Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the latest update on the YieldMax Ultra Option Income Strategy ETF, ticker ULTY, covering important details on holdings, price action, recent distributions, and my take on the possible upside and downside going forward as of today, which is August 11th of 2025. Before we jump into the important ULTY information, first let me introduce myself. My name is Wes, and for the last 2 years I've been researching ways to make passive income in both the stock market and in cryptocurrency. I want to bring my results, whether good or bad, to you through this channel. If that sounds good to you, make sure you subscribe to this channel. Please drop a like on this video, I'd greatly appreciate it. Take a quick look at the overview of what ULTY actually is. ULTY is an actively managed ETF targeting aggressive income through covered call strategies on high volatile US stocks. It aims to generate weekly and monthly income by writing option premiums on a concentrated basket of stocks, capping upside gains but offering a very high income yield. Now, these gains are not capped as much as they used to because they do hold a lot of different stocks themselves. And I'm going to show you those today. This is very important today because I went through every stock that they hold, and it's a very good distribution. We're going to take a look at that here in a second. The distribution rate, the payout's been 86.93%. That's what it's paying out currently. So it would take a little over a year to make your money back completely. And it's not going to go to zero because they do own stocks. A lot of people are like, well, it's really risky. Well, if you're getting paid 86.93% APR, you're going to get some of that money back quickly. You don't have to reinvest your dividends or your distributions back into it. You can take those and put it into something else. Take them as income. Okay, now let's look at what their core holdings are. I downloaded this real quick. This is the most recent spreadsheet showing their core holdings. Number one, which I was surprised at, is Coinbase. Coinbase is almost 7% of their holdings. Another one that I have been selling cash secured puts on is Rigetti. Rigetti is almost 6% as well. I think Rigetti's earnings are tomorrow, I believe. IonQ, another one I'm high on, is 5.37%. AppLovin, I don't know too much about it, but I'm going to look more into it. That's over 5%. AST Space, that's a good one. That's over 5%. Nibius, I don't know that one. MicroStrategy is almost 5%. New Scale, Upstart, Oklo had their earnings today. It wasn't too good. Then they have Robinhood. This is the thing. If you go ahead and you go through this and actually put the actual core holdings rather than their actual their options strategies, you can see what they actually have. Palantir's in there, 4%. Bitmine's a good one. They're in there. Affirm, Weevil, Rocket Labs, Super Microcomputers did not have a very good earnings, but a lot of these are good companies, very good companies. They are companies that are lower market cap. A lot of them, not Coinbase, but a lot of these other ones are lower market cap, which gives them more premium through the option strategies. Did not want to leave you hanging. I wanted to look up Nebius really quick. Nebius Group is actually building infrastructure for AI. So definitely a good company, a good futuristic company that could do well. And I should be doing more research into some of these companies that ULTY is holding. But I just wanted to go over that real quick, and I'm going to make sure I didn't leave you guys hanging on that one. So they have a very well diversified portfolio of actual stocks, and that's what I wanted to look into to see what they actually had, like 671,300 shares of Coinbase stock. Okay, now let's look at the price action. The price action is at the lower point of this range that I said that it was in before in the last video. It's been able to stay in this range between $5.95 and $6.45 ish since April. So I think it's May. It's in end of April, beginning of May. So it needs to hold this support. It looks like it's on top of a trend line, and it's got a couple support areas before it falls through. But I really do hope it holds this for a while. I think the longer it holds this structure in this range, that more people will get into it, and then the price will appreciate going forward. Let's look at the distributions. You cannot complain about these. It's 10 cents a share for the last 3. Before that, it was a 9.5 to 9.6 cents per share. The last payable date was 8/1, so we should be getting one this week. So we'll see. Have they posted anything yet? Let's go look now. And here it is, YieldMax ETF distribution announcement coming next Wednesday, August 13th, and there's ULTY right there. Another interesting point is that those stocks were added. It says ULTY just added these new stocks. Which one has the most upside potential? That was the AppLovin, Coinbase, Nebius, which we just looked up, and Rigetti Computing, which I think are all good choices. I want to go with Coinbase. Let's go ahead and, so I'm with the majority there. 56.1% say Coinbase, and I just went ahead and voted for Coinbase. I love that they're actively managing this, and they're adding new stocks to their portfolio and posting it here on X. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to repost this as well. So make sure you follow me on X. The link will be in the description of this video. ULTY remains a powerful income generator with big weekly payouts, volatile tech exposure, and a unique covered call twist. If you can stomach swings and understand the capped upside, which is not as capped as it used to be because now they own so many stocks, it definitely, to me, deserves a spot in my portfolio. What I ask from you is to make sure you like this video and make sure you do your due diligence and do research on any ETFs or any stocks that I mentioned on this channel. As always, thank you for watching and have a great day.